In this video, I will share with you some important information, without knowing that you cannot generate profit in the market. First of all, you can use this indicator at any time frame and in any market condition. So you must be seeing the moving average on the chart along with the arrow indicator. And having these two indicators together makes this trading setup even superb. And if you use this indicator properly, then you will get to see a winning ratio of up to 90%. So now you look at the screen. A situation has been created in the market in which we will execute the trade of the buy. Now understand properly why here we should execute the trade of buy. So first we will see the moving averages. The market is currently trading above all the moving averages. And the market has recently come back to the yellow line and moved it upward. And also here the blue color arrow has been created, which is giving us a signal to execute buy trade. And in this trade, we will set our stop at the current low of the market. According to stop loss, we will set our target of profit. The market may sometimes reach higher and sometimes fall lower. For that you will have to slowly trail your stop loss upwards with moving average. So right now you can see the profit of this trade. We will book our profit in this position. The market came up a lot. After that the market has shifted sideways, so we are booking profit here. So I hope you have understood a little bit about how to use this indicator. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some trades, so that you will definitely understand. So you can see it here on the chart. Here a situation of the sell has been created. The market is trading below the moving average, and together the arrow is created. So in this situation, we can execute our trade and set our stop loss above the moving average. Along with this, you also have to take care of some things while execute the trade. Number 1, know the markets. We cannot overstate the importance of educating yourself on the Forex market. Number 2, make a plan and stick to it. Number 3, practice. Number 4, forecast the weather conditions of the market. Number 5, know your limits. Number 6, know where to stop along the way. Number 7, check your emotions at the door. Number 8, keep it slow and steady. All these points you have to pay attention to every day before your trade. You can set your trade target of profit to 1:2. So now we can see the next chart here. And here the buy signal is created along with the arrow and all the moving averages are down. The market is trading above the moving average. So this is the best situation to execute your buy trade. And we will set our stop loss to be the current swing low of the market. I hope you have understood very well how to use this indicator and how to install the indicator. You can see the profit of the street right now, and we can book more profit from the trade if we want. So in this short video, I tried to give you as much information as I could about this indicator. I hope this indicator proves to be very helpful for your trading. I will keep going for more videos like this to make your trading even better. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.